This one adds sweetness sa ating pudding. Sobrang healthy and affordable. And it's vegetarian. Hey guys, good morning. So, wala lang. I just decided to vlog this day. Currently, today is January 10, Monday. So, kagabi nag-apply po ako ng retinol and may konting skin purging, but at least konti lang. And I have sip-on, guys. What? I'm so happy kasi I tested negative. Yes. So, ayan. So, let's go down now and I'm gonna show you my breakfast, which is coffee lang. Yes, just coffee and yep. Hi guys, so I just wanted to quickly share to you itong binili ko sa SM Supermarket. So to those of you na mahilig mag-diet, I definitely recommend this one. This one is from Veega. To those na nagstay sa Manila, this one is available at Lazada and Shopee. This one costs 99 pesos, which is not bad, and you guys can divide it into 2 portions. So ayan siya. It's meat-free balls, and hindi naman siya like ganun ka overwhelming na masarap talaga. It tastes, pwede na, yung ganun. So, right here, 4 pieces siya and 140 calories. So, ayan. And, actually, meron din sila nung bulgogi na flavor, but it's not available dun sa supermarket, SM Supermarket. But it's available sa Lazada and Shopee. And it's very affordable to think na it is meat-free, no preservatives, high in fiber, and high in protein. So, I'm so happy when I discovered this one sa SM Supermarket. I hope you guys can go try it out. Sobrang healthy and affordable. And it's vegetarian. So, this one is an example sa kanilang giniling. So, as you guys can see, my ate Shoni, added a bit of veggies and tomato sauce. So, medyo marami siya best. So, I'm gonna divide it into 2 para meron din akong pang lunch bukas. So, ayan guys. Masarap po siya. As in like, pwede na. So, which is sulit. And I hope you guys go try it out. Okay.
Ang damay lang na. Ako lang dito. Masakal. Lawan.
So guys, I'm gonna show you, please don't mind the background, but I'm gonna show you how I prepare my dinner. So what you need is a glass of lalagyanan, basta glass. And next is, I'm just gonna make a parang chia pudding, if that makes sense, kasi sobrang dali niyang gawin and sobrang healthy pa. So, ayan. So, sobrang healthy nito and I hope you guys go try it out. First off, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. I'm using yung instant oatmeal. 2 tablespoons. There you go. Next is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Ayan. Next is 1 tablespoon of this, what you call this? Chia and hemp seed. Sobrang healthy nito. And you guys can buy this one on Shopee. It has coconut, tribaloo. Ayan, 1 tablespoon. There you go. And then next is 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. I use Alaska. Ayan. Don't add sugar kasi maglalagay tayo ng peanut butter. Let us add peanut butter. 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. So this one adds sweetness sa ating pudding. And lagyan natin ng konting warm water para lang ma-dissolve yung everything. And then give it a stir. Yan, it looks like this, but mag-expand pa yan siya. So, sobrang healthy nito and hindi kayo magugutom mga sis, I swear. Oat milk. You guys can add almond milk or oat milk or soy milk. Kayo na bahala. And you guys can add banana, but in my case, hindi ko muna siya lagyan ng banana kasi I don't feel like it. So, pero mas masarap siya if you guys are going to add banana. And yung peanut butter talaga yung key ingredient dito. Sobrang sarap. Kasi if walang peanut butter, medyo wala siyang lasa. You guys can think na meron kayong COVID. So, ayan. Yan, mag-expand na yan mamaya. Just leave it sa fridge. And after 2 to 3 hours, pwede na siyang kainin.